Okay, what we're looking for, we're under a Kia. What is Kia is this? This is a Kia, no, oh shit, I call a Chevy a Kia. We're under a Chevy something, doesn't matter what it is. But they have a slushing water sound when you go around corners, and we kind of all know what that is. And why am I under the car? Because I am looking for the drain for this vehicle, which I don't know where it is. But it should be somewhere down here, and I cannot find it. Now look at this. You see some insulation has been ripped off there, and it looks like whatever cable or wire that is right there, that grommet was removed and put back in, and you can see that all the heat reflective and sound deadening pad was not put back on. You can see it all missing over there. This was ripped off. I think possibly somebody worked underneath the dash, had the dash out, had to pull that cable, hose, whatever that is, grommet out, because they physically ripped that pad off, put it back together, and may not have put back the hose and kinked it. Actually kinked the hose. The drain hose is kinked, and maybe that was all. So, well, I go looking on this thing, and I could not go under and reach with my fingers under the dash and find a hose outlet because of the position of the HVAC case. So I'm still searching. But we also have a fan staying on high speed all the time. So it might be the high pressure switch. You know, they were looking at it. They already ordered the high pressure switch. I'm here to drain out the system, have the shop replace the high pressure switch, and then fill it back up. So let's find out. Okay, let's go to the next video and let's look at the pressures to see what's keeping the fan on.